To change your Straight Talk number, start by downloading the Straight Talk app version 4.8.1 or later. Log in using your phone number, email, or account PIN. Once logged in, go to the Account or My Account section. Then look for Manage Device or Services. Here, select Get a New Number to choose a free number from available options, or Port My Number to transfer an existing number from another carrier. You'll need your current carrier's account number and PIN for porting. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify via SMS or email. Payment may be required for porting, depending on your plan. Number changes take 24 to 48 hours and may involve downtime. Back up your contacts and data beforehand and ensure your phone is unlocked for a successful change. If you encounter issues like a failed port during the number change, use the app's AI chatbot for quick assistance. If the app options are unavailable, call 1-877-430-2355 or use the in-app chat with support. After activation, confirm your new number is active by checking the usage history in the app. Note that Straight Talk typically doesn't allow direct number swaps within the app for existing lines, often requiring a new SIM or porting. For business accounts, additional verification like ID uploads may be required. Be aware of potential glitches, especially during peak times like plan renewals. Straight Talk emphasizes app-based self-service due to increased digital interactions. Future updates may include eSIM integration for easier changes without physical SIM cards. Always prioritize security due to rising risks of SIM swap fraud. Use two-factor authentication for enhanced protection.